Hey friends, we're doing a quick comparison video between these two Yeti products. Now we primarily use these obviously for coffee. This is gonna be a 12-ounce coffee mug here. It's got a really cool top. Love having this. It's a slim kind of cylinder profile so it fits in cup holders. Whereas this one is just your standard mug. Again, this is the stackable version if you have multiple versions of this, but it is only 10 ounces. Now, there's one major decision to make between these two, whether you should get something like this or one of these guys, and that is where are you drinking your drinks. If you are primarily an at-home coffee drinker, maybe at your desk, in the office, then this is the cup for you. It's really nice having this handle, and again, the mag slider is perfect to keep that coffee where it should stay. Now, if you're primarily an on-the-road coffee drinker, like maybe traveling between home and work or on road trips, then this is definitely the guy you want to go with. I hate bringing these in the car because there's nowhere to store them safely without the fear of this moving all over the place and liquid getting out. This sticks nice and comfortably down into our cup holders. We have never had a spill with this guy. The top screws on nice and tight to make a nice perfect seal. You can actually turn the thing upside down and no liquid will come out. It's super, super handy for the car. So I hope that helps make your buying decision just a little bit easier.